This video is to go along with the Investigating Density Lab, and in this we will be looking at how different substances have different physical properties such as density. Density is the amount of matter in something, which we call the mass, compared to the volume, which is how much space they take up. So with this we have water, which I have put a little food coloring in. We also have right here, this is some vegetable oil. I have some glycerin, which is often used in health and beauty products. And then the last thing is I just have some dish soap. And so the first thing I want you to do is, knowing what they look like now, I would like you to pause the video and make a prediction. Which of these do you think is the most dense? Which one do you think is the least dense? Okay, now that you have paused the video and taken a second to look at it, I am going to take all of these and put them one at a time in this graduated cylinder. It's a 25 milliliter graduated cylinder. And I'm going to start with the water. And put that in. And then I'm going to take the vegetable oil. And now I'm going to take the dish soap. And finally, I will take the glycerin. Go. Letting them settle out a little bit, you notice that there are differences between each one of these substances. The one that's on the top is the vegetable oil, right up here, and at the bottom we have the glycerin. You should have noticed that the glycerin just went right down through everything else. In the middle we have the water and the soap, and they have similar densities, so they kind of mix together with each other, but the oil, being the least dense, stays up on the top, and the glycerin, being the most dense, stays down on the bottom. And if I were to add more glycerin to this, I'm just going to pour it straight in. You'll notice that glycerin just goes straight down through everything because it is the most dense. And if I put the rest of the oil in, you'll notice that that stays on top because it is the least dense. All right, I hope this helped you out, and feel free to go back and watch the video again.